Hi, I'm Hawk with Cheyenne US Repair, and today I'm here to talk to you about cleaning your tattoo machine. Let's start with the Sol Nova here. And the first thing I recommend is just take your Maticide or your Opticide wipe and just first wipe just the whole thing down. If you don't have Maticide or Opticide wipes, it's okay to use the Maticide or Opticide in the spray and just spray it onto a paper towel. You don't want to spray it directly onto the machine, okay? So spray it onto a paper towel and you have yourself a wipe. Once you've given the whole exterior a good wipe down, fully remove your grip. I will take that grip and set it aside, and then I'm going to wipe down underneath the grip on the main body of the machine. You want to make sure to get down inside of the guide block here where the cartridges click in, and get all the way down in there, just wad it down in. I like to take a Q-tip and spray that with some of that Opticide and really get down in there and clean that up. Again, do not spray. You do not want to get liquid down inside this machine. You want to spray it onto your Q-tip or your paper towel or your wipe and then clean. I recommend removing the O-rings completely and cleaning those individually. So once you've got your grip off and you've got your O-rings off, the guide block here where your pen machine is going to have its serial number, you've got threads and grooves for O-rings and all of that, and these are potential areas where they can be difficult to clean. So what I recommend with this is I like to use a small nylon brush you can get at the hardware store, or even a toothbrush works great, just to put a little Maticide on that brush and just get in there and take it all the way around on all of those grooves, and you'll get all of that hard to reach areas all sano and clean. And then with the grip, you're going to want to, you've already cleaned the outside, so you really want to get down in there, and I'll just wad that in and I'll just thread it in, just twist it so it's coming all the way out the other side. Take it all the way through. Really get that clean. This is where you're going to see the most ink buildup, contamination, and like that, and this is really critical that you really get down in there and get in the threads and in the where the cartridge locks in and everything. And again, I'll take a Q-tip and I'll get all the way down in there and really focus on getting that clean and sterile. You want to let that Maticide or Cavicide or whichever you're using, it's going to take 5 minutes activation time for this to be really considered a cold sterilization. Okay, so again, outside, grip separated. I will spray Maticide directly down onto the grip itself, but not on the machine. So really, I'll douse this guy with the spray. Just boom, 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 and I'll let that sit for 5 minutes. And with the O-rings, same thing. You can pull those O-rings off and you can spray them at the same time when you do the grip, or you can clean them by hand with the wipe. I think that covers the Sol Nova. So now we'll move on and we'll talk about angled machine. Cleaning the angled machines, we're talking about your Thunder, which we have here, or Spirit, Solterra, Sol Luna. These machines, again, we're going to start with just a full wipe down of the exterior of the machine using a Maticide wipe. If you do not use Maticide wipes, if you use spray, that's fine, but you want to spray it onto a paper towel. Don't spray the machine directly, okay? Spray it onto a paper towel, wipe the whole thing down, top to bottom. Then we're going to remove the grip, and we're going to clean the push bar and the grip mount area, and we're going to set that aside. Now we're going to focus on the grip and getting this guy all cleaned up. And what I like to do is, again, I'll get the Q-tip and I'll spray the Maticide onto the Q-tip and really get down in there and make sure that this area that the cartridge clicks into really gets clean. And then I will, with a wet Q-tip, I'll take it down into the tube itself, the back tube, and get down in there as much as you can. A Q-tip won't go all the way through here, but a pipe cleaner will. And I recommend having those on hand. Spray your Maticide onto your pipe cleaner, take it all the way through, and really make sure that your grips are clean and well taken care of, and you'll have a much happier tattoo machine and happy, healthy clients as well. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair, and I'll see you next time.